Welcome back, folks, to another episode of Honda Snowblower Enthusiasts on Facebook and YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to repair a split track. These things are very expensive. This is a good repair for emergencies usually only, even though I've replaced one track that lasted for 3 seasons. I'm going to show you how I do it. And I'm also going to, let's talk about the maintenance first, where you can prevent this from happening. This usually happens because the track, the snowblower has been left outside for years in the sun. It starts cracking, and then it finally splits. And the split will grow all the way across the track until it breaks through. Now these things are expensive. They're like $200 with the taxes. So this might get you by for the season. So inspect your track machine now. If you have any cracks in it or splits in it, you may be able to repair this for the season. And let me say, so keep it out of the sun. Keep it covered in the off season. Another thing you want to do is that if you spill any gas or oil on it, you want to clean it up immediately with some Dawn dish soap and water or some degreaser and a rag. Clean it up. Don't let that gas and oil seep in or stay on the track. Now, one last thing I can think of is that if you're using this on a deck, a wood deck, you want to make sure all the screws and nails are down all the way. A lot of times these will catch a nail or a screw, and that causes the split. Or you run it into a brick or a concrete wall or something and split it that way. Usually that's what happens with these things. So let me show you how you can repair this. You don't have to take it off the machine. It's fairly easy to do it. It only takes, I don't know, 15 or 20 minutes. So let's get to that. Now here's a track that's got a split in it that I'm going to repair. Like I said, you don't have to take it off the machine. You can leave it on the machine, find the spot which is split. I don't know if you can see the split right here. You can see the split. I drill holes on both sides, okay? Now, if it comes in between one of your crossovers, then I take a grinder and grind it down. That way the zip ties will not be hitting the pavement so much, and they will last longer. So I've drilled the holes, and then I put some zip ties. Now, you can use metal zip ties like this. I'll post a link in the description and the comments on where to get them. Or I've had good luck with the plastics. I started using these heavy duty plastic zip ties first, and I've had tracks last 2 or 3 seasons with these on my machine. I mean, I'm not going to repair somebody else's machine like this, but if you can't find a good used track, which is very difficult to find, and the new ones are really expensive. This track was worth repairing because if you look, it's not so worn down in the middle like I see a lot of machines. It's nice and straight across. It's a good track, so it was worth repairing. And I don't know where this crack came from actually, but this is a good track to try to repair. There's no other cracks on this track, and so this may last a long time on my machine. So I hope this helped you. If we save you money on our videos, please like and subscribe. We have over 300 videos now to help you save money on Honda snowblower maintenance and repairs. So thank you for watching, folks, and we'll see you next time.